Go Dog Go by PD Eastman. Dog. Big dog. Little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. 2 big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. 1 dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs and cars again, going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. 2 dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? What are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree! To the tree! Up the tree! Up the tree! Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of the tree? A dog party! A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye.